Good morning, everyone. This is me, Manya Gupta, and the bulletin of the day starts with India's Gaganyaan mission delayed to 2026 for enhanced safety and testing. Acer launches Iconia tab series in India, affordable and feature-packed. Then WhatsApp beta adds reverse image search through Google. About Apple's Project Atlas explores smart glasses development. On Vivo to launch iQOO Neo10 Pro with powerful battery and 120-watt fast charging. About Xbox rolls out AI-powered support virtual agent for Xbox insiders. And finally on Amazon, which unveils Gen AI-powered X-ray recaps for Prime Video. So in the previous quiz, we asked you, what is the full form of PNG? Answer is Portable Networks Graphic. It's time for a daily tech question. Here's the one today. Who is the CEO of Dell Company? So confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Let us start with the news. India's first manned space mission Gaganyaan has been delayed to 2026 as the Indian Space Research Organisation prioritized safety and thorough testing. Originally scheduled for 2025, the decision comes after recent aerospace industry challenges, emphasizing the need for additional uncrewed test flights and extensive evaluations of complex technologies. Mission's first uncrewed test flight is now planned for December 2023, followed by multiple trials to validate critical systems. These tests, including the use of humanoid robot on board, will assess re-entry, parachute deployment, and emergency recovery systems, ensuring astronauts' safety. Now, the crew is also undergoing intensive training in India and abroad, with astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla preparing for future missions alongside former NASA astronaut Peggy Whitson. To support this ambitious project, the Indian government has increased funding by 111 billion rupees, providing resources for testing, astronaut training, and the final mission phase. So with modules moving to the Sriharikota spaceport, ISRO is poised to join the ranks of US, Russia, China, sending astronauts into space, but with an emphasis on caution and safety. Moving on to our next news, Acer India has introduced the Iconia tab series featuring two models, an 8.7-inch and 10.36-inch variant, perfect for work, entertainment and on-the-go use. So both tablets run on Android 14 and are powered by MediaTek processors for smooth performance. The 8.7-inch Iconia tab starts at 11,990, while 10.36-inch model is priced at 14,990 rupees. So these can be purchased at Acer exclusive stores, Acer's online platform and Amazon. Key features include Iconia Tab 8.7, which comes with a MediaTek Helio P22T processor, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB. It has an 8-megapixel rear camera and 5-megapixel front camera for basic photography and video calls. 10.36-inch Iconia Tab offers a 2K display. Helio G99 processor, 16-megapixel rear camera, 8-megapixel front camera along with face recognition and fingerprint login for added security. Both the models support dual SIM 4G LTE dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2 with optional flip covers for extra protection. These tablets are affordable yet powerful options for users seeking reliable everyday devices. Now let's talk about WhatsApp's latest beta update introduces a new feature that allows users to send received images directly to Google's reverse image search for verification. This feature, available in build 2.24.23.13, provides a seamless way to check if an image is original or appears elsewhere on the web. So to use this feature, users can tap the three-dot menu while viewing an image and select Search on Web. This action sends the image to Google search for a reverse lookup, helping users gather more context about the image. WhatsApp ensures that the image remains confidential and isn't shared with Meta or other apps beside Google. Although reverse image search is already available through Google's Circle to Search, this in-app integration is more convenient for users who want a dedicated tool within WhatsApp. However, feature is rolling out server-side, meaning it may not be available to all users immediately even if they are using the latest beta build. Moving on, Apple, which is reportedly evaluating the potential of creating its own smart glasses under an internal project, Atlas. According to Bloomberg, Apple's product systems quality team is gathering feedback from employees on existing smart glasses as a part of a study to understand their potential use case and essential features. Now, the tech giant aims to conduct further focus group testing to refine its insights. So, if Apple advances with smart glasses, it could rival Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses, known for capturing photos, videos, and offering voice assistant capabilities. So Apple's venture into this market would add competition as Meta and Snap are also developing augmented reality smart glasses which aim to overlay digital transformation on users' vision but may take years to reach consumers. This move aligns with Apple's broader interest in wearable technology following its Vision Pro mixed reality headset. However, that device, high price and limited applications have hindered its market penetration. Now we have Vivo, which is gearing up to launch the iQOO Neo10 Pro, a high-performance smartphone set to pack impressive features. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, Neo10 Pro will come with 16GB of RAM, 512GB of storage, offering significant power and smooth performance. It will feature a 6.78-inch LTPO OLED display with a 1.5K resolution for top-tier viewing experience. Phone's camera system will include a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor and 50-megapixel secondary sensor, focusing on providing solid photography without over-investing in camera tech. Notable highlight is its largest battery, likely between 6000 to 6900 mAh, paired with blazing fast 120-watt charging, ensuring minimal downtime. Device will have a plastic frame and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner for improved security. As a part of Neo series, iQOO Neo10 promises to deliver raw power, fast charging, making it an excellent choice for users seeking performance and speed. Now, let's talk about Microsoft, which has launched a new AI-powered support virtual agent for Xbox aimed at helping users resolve support issues more efficiently. Available to select Xbox insiders in US, this feature is accessible via support.xbox.com for English language users. The virtual agent provides answers to Xbox console and game support questions through text or voice queries. Xbox insiders can access it by signing into their registered account and visiting Contact Us page on their support site. If the AI agent can't resolve an issue, users can still connect with a live support agent during operating hours. So as a part of this preview, Xbox is gathering feedback from insiders to refine the agent's responses. Users can rate AI answers and provide feedback directly on the page. Additionally, Xbox insiders can choose between two virtual agent versions to personalize their support experience. We have now Amazon, which has introduced a new AI-powered feature called X-Ray Recaps for Prime Video, offering personalized summaries for TV shows. This feature provides concise, easy-to-digest recaps of entire season, individual episodes, or even parts of episode, tailored to the exact point where viewers are watching. So whether you are starting a new episode, revisiting a series after a break, or just need a quick, fresh, X-Ray Recaps highlights key moments like cliffhangers and character-driven plot points. Powered by Amazon Bedrock and SageMaker, the feature analyzes video segments, subtitles, dialogues to generate spoiler-free summaries. X-Ray Recaps is currently in beta, will be available to Fire TV users in US with plans for expansion to other devices by end of 2024. This was all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe IT Voice for more tech updates. Thank you.